Thru axles might be new for some riders, so we'll explain how to use them. If your axle features a quick release handle, you won't need any additional tools to complete this task. To remove the wheel, open the QR lever or loosen the bolt. Wind it out anti-clockwise until you clear the thread and the axle comes loose. Be sure to hold the wheel when doing this so it doesn't drop out of the forks. Now you can slide the axle out and remove the wheel. If you have disc brakes, never pull your brake levers when the wheel is removed. This will cause the pads to jam and you won't be able to get your wheel back in. When you are ready to reinstall your wheel, line your hub up with the grooves cut into the forks and carefully insert your disc rotor into the gap between your brake calipers. Now, feed the axle into the hub until you find the thread. Wind this into position and close the lever so the wheel is secure. When closing the lever, you want to feel resistance at 90 degrees. From there, squeeze hard until fully closed.